Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to import CSV file or how to import the data from CSV file to QlikView. So we can represent that particular data in tabular form with the help of table box function. So we'll see it first. So go to this particular file, edit script, then this is the code which is loaded. So I'll remove this. I'll connect with the table file. Now over here we can see that this is a CSV file. So this is best sellers with category copy. I'll click on open. Okay. Now this is basically the preview shown over here. Now I'll keep as it is. You can see over here the delimiter is comma. Click on next, next, finish. So when I clicked on that finish button, so you can see over here the code is being appearing. So I'll click on OK. Now I'll go to this particular reload button. Now the data is being reloaded and the file is saved as the name of QlikView underscore exercise underscore 20. So this is exercise number 21. Now I'll go to this particular canvas or the document of view. So it is in basically having an extension, or you can say it is in the format of .qvd. It means that QlikView document. So go to the right click and go to new sheet object, then go to this particular table box function again, and whatever you want to represent, this is nothing but the data which is in CSV format. So if you want to add all this, you can just click on add and you can give a title as best seller books. I'll click on apply. So whenever you are clicking on apply button, so a table is going to appear here. Click on OK. Now it's being completed. You can see that I'll enlarge this. So you can see that this is the whole data which is there in the CSV file. All the names of the book with the author name, genre, fiction, non-fiction, publication details, price, reviews, and user rating, and in which year it is being published. So these details are being given over here. So I hope you have understood how to import the data from CSV file to QlikView. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.